This video is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute legal advice. All individuals mentioned are presumed innocent until proven guilty. The analysis reflects legal commentary based on publicly available information at the time of the publication. ANC Eastern Cape Conference Crisis. The ANC Eastern Cape 10th Provincial Elective Conference has escalated into a serious constitutional and legal crisis. The High Court issued an interim interdict halting the conference due to procedural irregularities, yet the ANC chose to proceed. The background. The conference involves a leadership battle between Oscar Mabuyane and Lulama Ngcukaitobi, set against deeper faction dispute and allegations of manipulations. Court findings. The court identified key failures including the late verification report, unresolved appeals, and concerns about compliance with ANC constitutional rules. The legal framework. Section 18 of the Superior Court Act governs the effective of the appeal. Section 18.1 suspends the normal judgment, while Section 0.82 states interim order remains in force. Implication. This means the interdict should legally remain binding until the ANC appeals. ANC opposition. The ANC argues that the appeal suspends the order and that the conference can proceed. This relies on broader reading of Section 18.1. Legal conflict. The dispute is between a general rule and a specific exception. Legal interpretation usually favors the specific rule, meaning Section 0.82 is likely decisive. Contempt risk. If the interdict remains valid, proceedings may constitute contempt of court, exposing leaders to fine or imprisonment. Current status. Despite legal challenges, the conference is ongoing, with delegates participating in leadership expected to address the proceedings. Outcomes. Possible outcomes include the conference being declared unlawful, urgent court intervention, or political settlement. Conclusion. This case tests whether the political authority can override judicial authority. The final determination will be made in court, not at the conference. That concludes our analysis. Thank you for watching the sim. If you found this breakdown useful, consider subscribing for clear, factual legal analysis. Until next time, stay informed.